Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day as usual, coming at you guys on a Sunday. And what's funny is I'm actually starting to record a video right now on the usual time that we do stream. Again, guys, yeah, I totally would be doing streams on the weekends, but honestly, the information is just a little bit too dry on the weekends to have a full 1 hour stream. I don't know, maybe I might start doing weekend streams again if, you know, something does occur pretty major. But anyways, guys, there is some things I want to talk about with you today. Do not want to take up too much of your time, but again, this is something really important I think you guys need to know, and this is strictly about the charts. So let's go ahead and let's get right into it. So let's give a quick recap what just recently happened to Bitcoin. Recently, it was in an ascending triangle formation. We ended up bouncing support for the third time at 79.61, and then we ended up actually moonshotting to like 8,900. Going back, having a little bit of consolidation, we got over 9,000 just barely, and then sold right off. But now again, we're making a higher low and continuing to make waves towards that resistance. So keep in mind that Bitcoin just had a symmetrical triangle, and it literally just broke. I mean, some people could call this a fake out, but in my opinion, it's still a breakout in my opinion, because now we're actually still just way above the previous resistance. So, I mean, again, some people might call this like a fake out, but I mean, hey, we went from 79.60 all the way to almost 9K, and we actually did cross 9K later. So I wouldn't necessarily call that a fake out. I mean, that's still a pretty good movement in my opinion. So the reason why I'm showing you this right now, again, guys, not a Bitcoin maximalist. Trust me, I'll never become a Bitcoin maximalist. Do not have to worry about that. The reason I'm showing you this is because now XRP has arisen in the same freaking exact pattern. And this is dating back to the very, very beginning of this little rally that we just had. So as you can see right there on May 9th, 2019, that was the beginning of the 64% run all the way to 48 cents. And then we had the major sell-off after that. Everyone's going like, oh, yep, rally's over. Yep, this is done. But again, we bounce the 36-35 cent range, and we bounce up, and they try to push us down again, and then now we start establishing a support trend line here that actually was tested like 4 times already. So again, market pushes up, tests it down again, and then we actually make another significant, very, very, very close move to the exact same level. But again, the market gets rejected. And then the reason why it actually got rejected right here was not because of XRP. It was literally just the fact that Bitcoin crossed over 9K. Again, it sounds like a stupid reason, guys, but it is a legitimate reason when we do get these, when we cross these emotional and psychological resistances, as I like to call them. That's where a lot of selling pressure is going to happen, and that's where a lot of exit points are for people who are, currently having long positions. So literally, the only reason we did not break this was literally just because of Bitcoin. But again, the bears, they tried to sell us down. They tried to push us down again, guys. I'm not gonna lie, they really tried hard this time. Again, I mean, not as big as this drop right here, but again, pretty significant. We dropped from 47 cents all the way down to freaking 40. Okay, and when we got to 40 cents, guess what happened? We didn't even break down to the 30s. We actually used the 40-cent line as support, and we're now making waves right back up, and now we're currently sitting at the 44-cent level. And guys, honestly, I gotta say, I am actually extremely, extremely impressed that XRP is actually respecting the support trend line and is making waves towards resistance. So guys, what do we got going on here? We have a ascending triangle, a bullish formation. This is when the resistance stays exactly the same, but the price ends up having higher lows, which means the bears are trying to push the market down, and the buyers keep buying it back up. The bears try to push it down. They can't push it down as far. We get way up there. They try to push it down. Again, they can't even push it down as far. And then now I imagine what's going to happen next is we're probably going to get sold down again. So I'd expect some selling pressure today, honestly. I expect it to now get sold off again down to like 42, 41 cents, and then probably bounce and then test this resistance, guys, because Bitcoin literally just had the same exact formation, and XRP is just repeating the same exact formation Bitcoin had. So honestly, guys, I could really see that this is a perfect opportunity for for XRP to actually break out. Guys, it is a prime opportunity. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. The downside is always possible, depending on your position. Whichever way the downside is for you, whether you're shorting or long, the downside is always possible, guys. Keep in mind. But this is a very, very bullish ascending triangle on the 4-hour chart. And keep in mind, we did just golden cross just like 5 days ago. So, and Bitcoin's also getting closer to 9K. So guys, we honestly have every single reason to break this resistance, as well as the RSI is establishing its own little support trend line along with the price. And we're actually at the 55 level, which is freaking bullish and has a lot of room to grow. We're not even in the overbought zone. So honestly, guys, this is a prime opportunity for XRP to break out this week. Again, just my opinion, the downside is always possible, but I think breaking to the upside is more likely in my opinion. And guys, we just hit the month of June. We are officially getting really close to the middle of the year. And again, Old But Gold, who remembers Alisar Costance, Mercury FX CEO, stating that they had an XRapid rollout plan and they expected to be live in 10 countries before the middle of the year on XRapid enabled. And that's just one client of 200. And not even mentioning the 10 financial institutions now currently leveraging XRP. So guys, honestly, we literally have every reason to like break the 50 cent level and go like straight to 60, 70, 80 cents. That's just my opinion, guys. So thank you guys for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, check the links in the description if you do want to support the channel. Really do appreciate it. And check below the description. Make sure to check out some of the cool new merch that we got, as well as make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit those post notifications so you never miss a video stream. And as always, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Guys, this is honestly a prime opportunity to see XRP breaking out massively to the upside. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. And by the way, I did fix the audio issue. You guys on the you headphone users out there should now be able to hear me perfectly through both ears now. And also, we got the digital filters on voice meter to kind of make it a little bit more of a podcast kind of sound. So again, let me know what you guys think about that in the description or in the comments below. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.